That's a silly face. What is the fish doing, Bella?
It's swimming and starting to poop.
It's,
The little ones.
is it?
Uh-huh. One little one is pooping.
Where's the poop coming from?
His bottom.
Do fish have bottoms?
It's like a circle.
It's a circle bottom.
With a hole in it.
A circle with a hole in it. Uh-huh.
And they're starting to get old.
What's getting old?
The little one little one.
The poopy little one?
Yes,
Why is he getting old?
because he found so much food that he's starting to get old and poop.
Okay.